was it that you were ready to call? Like, come on.
Well, we were out there for a while. We walked around the lighthouse without our stuff, and then we got our stuff and we walked down the trail, and then we stopped and had lunch, and we walked out, and then we kept walking, and then he told me we had to go train Madison, and I kept telling her how dumb that was because this wasn't a good place to train Madison. And people were like bird watching, and he was having me hold dummies and like sing off. And I was like, this is so dumb. Because I was embarrassed. And then that didn't work out. So when I stopped to take pictures, and when Madison walked ahead, and then I was taking a few because I like to take pictures of Jennifer. And then when I found out they were like walking, he was fumbling his backpack, but I didn't think anything of it. And then he kneeled down, and he had Madison there, and I saw she had something in her mouth, and he was on one knee, but I still was like, what's going on? And then I walked closer, I'm like, what's going on? What does that say? And then I saw the shark carry me.
They put your name.
Oh my God. And then all of a sudden, shut up.